deadly threat to any home. It can strike anywhere and at any time. 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms. A fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in America. Smoke alarms provide early warning in the event of an emergency inside the home. First Alert offers battery and hardwired smoke alarms. Check what source of power is best for your home. If you are going to install a hardwired alarm, be sure to turn off the power to that area prior to starting the installation process. Install smoke alarms on every level of your home, including the basement and in every bedroom. Alarms don't last forever. Remember to replace smoke alarms regardless of manufacturer or power source. If you don't know how old your smoke alarms are, it's best to be safe and replace. Twist into place until you hear it click. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of fires in the US, so be alert while cooking. Finally, be sure to talk about fire safety with your family and be prepared if there is an emergency by having an escape plan and practicing it regularly with your entire family.
Hello, my name is Madison, and today I'm introducing the SITERWELL GS528A smoke detector. So I have here our smoke detector, and its packaging is very nice. I'm going to open it up here and take all of our contents out. This one does include 2 alarm systems, so you can place them at 2 different locations in your house. So I have our alarm systems here. This works on a 9-volt battery, so it is guaranteed to last for 10 years. It does come with the battery separate from the actual alarm, so I'm just going to install this for a minute. Alright, so I've got our battery. It's very easy installation. Just snaps into place here. Alright, and then we do have our snap-on back that just snaps onto the back here. So I have this all put together. It's very easy to put together. This also does have a button in the center here. This is going to be our test button for monthly testing, just to make sure it's still working and the battery is still good. The battery does last for 10 years, but you do want to go ahead and do the testing on it monthly. And then to install this alarm, it does come with our little install packet here that's got our screws to install it to the ceiling. And of course I do have the instruction booklet here that has specific instructions on how to put it on the ceiling and where to put it in your house for the best smoke detection. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and show you our little test button here, just so you can see that it is a very loud alarm and it will work very well for you. So that is just going to be our little test there. When you click the button, it's very loud. It will very for sure alarm you whenever there is smoke detected. And of course you don't want to install this alarm without a battery inside of it, because you do need the battery. And of course this is also UL tested, so it is certified, and it is a great alarm to have for smoke detection. Well, thank you for watching. My name is Madison.